You don't ever have to feel like you need added hair or a wig to look and feel special. Natural hair got you covered, and I got you covered with this 20-minute hairstyle for special occasions like weddings, bridesmaid duties, dinners, you name them. I am just going to detangle my hair a little bit beforehand. Notice how I touch only the ends lightly. I am not going for any show. I'm not about to break my hair just for one hairstyle. Just touch it. I am now using this black beeswax on my edges so they feel concerned by the party. Growing edges always have a mind of their own. They never want to follow the trend. Generally, I put my part on the side of my head where my edges look better. That is the right side for me. You should try it out. One of my tips for painless parting is to make away with your fingers before cleaning it up with a comb. Trust me, this tip is a lifesaver. I have a video about how I prep my hair for painless parting and another one about how I actually part it to get clean parts on 4C hair. You should check them out. I never comb my hair too seriously when I'm not washing it. It is not worth it. What I do is more of caressing my crown. I go in again with the beeswax to smoothen my hair as much as possible without using gel or too much product. I cannot stand the feel of gel in my hair. Every time I apply too much gel in my hair, I just feel like my hair is dirty and I need to wash it immediately after. Next thing I do is a large cornrow braid on all this section. Just watch me do it. You'll understand what I'm talking about. For the front part of the hair, I am just going to twist and pin with bobby pins, but in two different sections. I missed this section while braiding, so I'm just going to hide it under the braid. I am using this jewelry I took from my sister for Three reasons: to hide the end of the braid, to reinforce the bobby pins, and most importantly, to bring more lights to the hairstyle. This modern gel wax is a must for me. Look at how it lays everything down. Look at this. Look at oh. I don't use it too much either. I just use it where I need to lay my edges and also to highlight the parts. There is this thing tying your hair down does. Oh, are you seeing it? Can you see this? Sure, dressing up is the spice you need for everything to work well together. But wow, tying it down just changes the game, just changes everything. I still do not know jack about makeup. I don't know anything about makeup. I hope I learn soon. That is all I have for you today. I hope this hairstyle inspires you to wear your own natural hair out. Things are never going to stay the same. They are definitely going to change for you soon. Take care. Bye.